Okay, the installation is almost complete. We wait 2%, and when that completes, we will show you the next steps. Okay, the installation is 100%, and now it's copying the files from the ISO image and building the checkpoint features or the blades. So again, this will take a bit of a time. It needs a bit of a patience, and then it also depends on your resource, the capacity of the device, the CPU, the memory. So the bigger the better. Okay, that's complete. What we're going to do is to reboot the machine, and it gives you the message here. If you want to access the machine, do it from the web portal, which is 10.1.1.115. So we'll give it a reboot. That's now ready. The next step to do is actually to configure from the web UI. So